Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to not allow sticker suggestion on Discord for Android. And for that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Discord application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Discord. And after that you can see there is have a three option in the below. You can click on for the right side or for the right corner. Okay, and after that you can slide away until you find about the text and images. Click on. And for the next step, if you want to not allow or ignore for the sticker suggestion, you can tap on beside the sticker suggestion is tap until has the gray and black color. And now the sticker suggestion is not low for you. The low sticker suggestion is not appear when typing message. Okay, this is a tutorial how to not allow sticker suggestion on Discord for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.